Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can equip your rod skins on Fisch. So to do that, you're just going to go to your equipment bag. Then in the fishing rod section, you're just going to select this icon. You're going to select it and you're going to equip it with the skin that you want. Same with every other rod there is. You don't need to equip it first. You can just like press the icon to change the skin of it. Sorry. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.